Computer repair? Laptop problem?
Is your computer booting slow?
Need any software?
Hard drive crashed? Lost data? Need data recovery from smartphone and hard disk? Broken laptop screen? MacBook repair?
Get your solution today.
Your one-stop solutions for all your IT repair needs.
Hyderabad #1 computer and laptop repair services.
Computer repair at your home or an office. Anywhere in Hyderabad we attend within 1 hour.
Professional and qualified experts.
10 years experience, best customer service. More than 5,000 happy and satisfied customers across Hyderabad. For more details, find us on Google and all social media platforms.